So this is the Powerlix Ultralight sleeping pad for camping or hiking or just any kind of traveling where you need that comfort below your sleeping bag. It comes in this really nice bag and the whole thing is super portable. So when you unfold it, you can roll it out and set it down, and then you can blow it up, even using a small air compressor like this. The whole thing is quality made. Even the air lid for it, you can put on there and it's not going to open in the middle of the night. It's really just quality. And one thing I just love is that little honeycomb shape that they have. It just makes it really comfortable. Instead of having just one giant air pocket, you have a bunch of little air pockets, just making it that much nicer to lay on. It's not gonna pop. It is really strong made. It's made for outdoors. This thing is just something that's perfect for camping. So I really like this a lot. So what you'd actually do is put your sleeping bag on top of it first, and then it would turn any hard surface or floor into a much more comfortable sleeping environment. And then when you're all done with it, you can just let that air out and it goes out pretty quickly, and then you can roll it up nice and compact and take it on your way. And it weighs basically nothing. So when it is attached to your backpack, you won't even know it's on there. It's really that great. So definitely going to take this on all of my camping trips in the future. I highly recommend this, and thanks for watching.